Now let's see the factors which disturbing the social health. So the first factor is mental stress. So let's see more about mental stress. Competition has increased in opportunities for education. There is competition along with education in employment, business due to increase in population. So competition is there everywhere. Children are facing the problems of loneliness, mental stress due to reasons like nuclear family and parents staying outdoors due to job. तो बच्चे अकेला महसूस करते हैं इफ़ पेरेंट्स आर वर्किंग और न्यूक्लियर छोटी सी फैमिली है. सो the children are facing the problems of loneliness. There are many buildings on girls and excessive freedom. There are many bindings on girls and excessive freedom for the boys in some families. So boys enjoy the concession from their domestic duties, whereas girls have compulsion for the same on the pretext that should be used to it. है ना, आदत रहनी चाहिए, शुड बी यूज टू इट. हर चीज़ की आदत सिर्फ गर्ल्स को ही रहनी चाहिए. हाँ, दिस इज़ अवर कल्चर, isn't it? But it is very, very wrong. So do you see the advertisements about increasing awareness on avoiding the discrimination between girls and boys or sister and brothers in the same family, on choice for fresh or leftover food, learning medium etc. अगर लड़की है तो उसको मराठी मीडियम में डालो, लड़का है बेटा है तो उसको इंग्लिश मीडियम में. वी कैन ऑफनली सीन, है ना, लेफ्ट ओवर फूड है तो वो लड़की को खिलाओ और ताज़ा फूड लड़के को खिलाओ. इन मेनी फैमिलीज इट हैपन्स. So many advertisements government has practicing in daily on television. So we can observe that we should not discriminate the girl and boy because both are same. So in society too, adolescent girls have to unnecessarily face the problems like teasing and molestation. So girls are facing the problems of stress due to such gender inequality. So agar if gender inequality is there, it is stressful for the girls. So mental stress came over the girls mind. So nowadays everyone has to face the stress due to ever increasing disorder, crime and violence. So सिर्फ गर्ल्स को ही स्ट्रेस है ऐसा नहीं है. There are various types of stress. So some stress are due to increasing disorder of crime and violence. At the same time, people looking at this as fast and easy way of making money. सबको जल्दी पैसा कमाना है, कम टाइम में ज़्यादा पैसा कमाना है. So everyone is स्ट्रेसफुल, है ना, पैसा कमाने के लिए भी स्ट्रेस लोगों को आता है. सो मे बिकम scapegoats and become part of such system. दिस इज़ द डेडली इफ़ेक्ट ऑफ सोशल इलनेस. इसी के कारण पैसे के चक्कर में या फिर एन्जॉयमेंट के चक्कर में, वॉट एवर बी द रीज़न कैन बी डिफ्रेंशिएट. सो मेंटल स्ट्रेस केम ओवर आवर माइंड्स which disturbs the social health. Second is addiction. So addiction is of again various types. So peer group influence is stronger in case of adolescents. Adolescents always prefer the company of friends and follow their good or bad habits instead of following advice of parents and teacher. Everyone, that means parents and teacher, alerts their wards not to have any addiction, है ना. So children in their early age try upon tobacco in some societies, not everywhere, but in some societies, children in their early age try upon tobacco, cigarette, gutka, alcoholic drinks, drugs etc. due to either peer group pressure or symbol of high standard living or as an इमिसिएशन ऑफ एल्डर्स, है ना. तो रीज़न मे बी डिफरेंट. कोई अपने एल्डर्स को फॉलो करते हैं या कोई एक थ्रिल लाइफ में है चाहिए इसलिए फॉलो करते हैं ये सारी चीज़ों को. सो हाउएवर इट मे बी लीड टू द एडिक्शन टू सच डेडली सब्सटेंसेस, टेम्पररीली intoxicating drugs or of plant origin and some chemicals may permanently damage the human nervous system. A question will be asked here. Tobacco or tobacco, cigarette, gutka, or all kinds of addictions, that means alcoholic drinks, affects which system of human being? So it affects the nervous system. So as well as along with nervous system, muscle system, heart is also suffering from these addictions. So earlier we have studied the carcinogenic effect of tobacco containing substances on mouth and lungs. So these carcinogenic substances damages our lung as well as our heart and other organs. Now, the next is incurable disease. So, in incurable disease, factors like ignorance towards the people with incurable disease like AIDS, TB, leprosy, and mental disorders, as well as old persons, lead to increased old age homes. And such factors also may cause harm to the social health. Uh, this is a big problem. We have taken a rally on this टॉपिक ऑल्सो, है ना. कुछ कुछ घरों में जैसे बुज़ुर्ग लोगों को अवहेलना होती है उनकी, है ना, या फिर बूढ़ों को अच्छे से ट्रीटमेंट नहीं दिया जाता है. सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर. इनक्यूरेबल डिसीज़ बोला है हमने उसको, मेंटल डिसीजेज है ये सारे, है ना, अलॉन्ग विथ फिजिकल डिसीजेज. तो समटाइम्स इट मे बी एड्स और टीबी और लेप्रेसी और मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स, है ना.